Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mycelium brick. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need mycelium spawn, a substrate like sawdust or straw, and a mold for your brick. It's crucial to ensure your workspace is very clean to avoid any contamination. This preparation sets the stage for a successful and strong mycelium brick. Next, prepare your substrate. You'll need to sterilize it thoroughly to eliminate any other organisms that might compete with your mycelium. After sterilization, hydrate the substrate to an optimal moisture content, aiming for about 60%. Remember, it's very important to let the substrate cool down completely before you move on to the next step. Now it's time for inoculation and molding. Carefully mix the mycelium spawn throughout your prepared and cooled substrate. Once combined, firmly pack this inoculated mixture into your brick mold. Make sure to compact it evenly. This helps create a strong, dense brick that will hold its shape well as the mycelium grows. Finally, we move to incubation and drying. Place your molded brick in a warm, dark environment for several days, allowing the mycelium to fully colonize the substrate. You'll see it bind everything together into a solid form. Once fully colonized, dry the brick completely to halt the mycelium's growth and significantly increase its strength and durability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.